Because the way I see it, you're going to end up spending the rest of your life in somebody's prison. If you go to prison, they're not bringing children to visit you at the... All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1271, State of Texas versus Renee Roman. We're going to have parties announced for the record for the state.
Casey Garrett, Daniel.
Defense.
Raymond Bell for the defense.
And are you Mr. Roman?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, did you review the document entitled Discovery Acknowledgement with your, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client, saying at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Roman, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Pause right here. This is a critical legal moment. The judge just confirmed the defendant waived his right to a jury trial. That means no jury, no second opinions, just the judge deciding everything. Once that's done, there's no going back. This case is now on a fast track to sentencing.
Sure.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. How do you pronounce your last name?
Roman.
Roman. See, that's what I was thinking, because I was thinking about Judge Roman. All right. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 15 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you? Then to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty?
And here it is, the no contest plea. Now, this is interesting. It's not an admission of guilt, but legally, it's treated almost the same as guilty for sentencing. So why choose it? Strategy? Damage control? Or just accepting the inevitable? Let me know what you think.
Not guilty or no contest? State, any evidence?
Be the same, no objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places, Mr. Roman? Again, did you understand you have a right to, and state you may continue to confer. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confer? After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask the court to follow the agreement with the parties. My client understands that he had a definite lapse in judgment when he engaged in this activity. He recognizes it was inappropriate behavior, and he, wants to accept responsibility for that. So that way he can get back on track. He does have a family to support. He has a wife and a child. It's definitely been difficult on him being in jail. He understands he just needs to get this behind him. And that way he can get back on the path to supporting his family.
Why do you keep stealing?
It's just bad decision.
Well, why do you keep making bad decisions of stealing?
No, I mean, I don't know, I guess it's just a history against this. Something that I just keep screwing up, that's it.
How old are your children?
9 and 6.
And here it is, the no contest plea. Now, this is interesting. It's not an admission of guilt, but legally, it's treated almost the same as guilty for sentencing. So why choose it? Strategy? Damage control? Or just accepting the inevitable? Let me know what you think.
9 and 6. So do you think they're proud of you right now?
No, I don't.
So why do you keep doing things that are not making your children proud of you? That's the question. You've got to get to the root cause of that, because the way I see it, you're going to end up spending the rest of your life in somebody's prison. And you know what's going to end up happening? I don't know who the mother of your children is. I don't know what type of person she is. I will tell you, some of the women in my family, I won't say some, all. If you go to prison, they're not bringing children to visit you at the prison. And then, of course, the rest of the family is going to say, why do you keep having children with this person who keeps stealing? So, you need to stop. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison or in the Bexar County jail or wherever it may be. And then you know what ends up happening? Children, the way they learn to speak is they listen to other people and they imitate what they're doing. So do you want your children stealing leaf blowers and then driving to the location to sell the leaf blowers back to the person that it was stolen from?
Now watch this. This is where the courtroom shifts. The judge stops talking like a judge and starts talking like a parent. This isn't about laws anymore, it's about legacy, family, and the kind of example being set. And honestly, these moments can hit harder than any sentence.
And then, not only do you bring the complainants their leaf blowers to try to sell them back to him, but you arrive in a stolen vehicle. All right, court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 15 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money will not run concurrent and give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. Better make better decisions.
That final warning. That's chilling. The judge is basically saying, keep going down this path, and you won't just visit prison, you'll become part of it. Known. Defined by it. And that grandfather line. That's not respect, that's a lifetime lost. The real question is, will this be the wake-up call, or just another stop along the way?
You don't be that person. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Have you excused, Judge?
You're welcome. Yes. Have a good one.
You too. Take care.
Norma, we need
Smashing Pumpkins, spying on my radar. All those witnesses are relevant, really. I really need all of them.
Yeah, none of these witnesses are relevant, Mr. Conley.
Whatever, man.
So,
I really need all of them, but you're gonna do whatever you're gonna do, so, it's all good. Why is he writing songs about me like that, then? Why is The Undertaker...
all I know, Mr. Conger, is that it's not relevant to the proceeding. Hint that, that she be placed in fear of retaliation for a prior lawful act. So the prior lawful act would be that she wouldn't allow you back into her house. You understand the allegations in count 2. I can't serve them the way that you provided them to me because I don't have information and I'm not like a private detective. You know,
That's fine. Whatever happens, happens. But I don't know how I'm supposed to have anybody's address. I don't know how anybody else supposed to have anybody's address that's supposed to go to trial anyways. I don't know how anybody else that goes to trial is supposed to just know anybody's address, but that's fine. No, whatever happens, happens. I ain't trying to listen to nobody tell me how to dress. I'm trying to dress the way I want, which was stick with my white clothes if I had to.